The topic of today's video is how to get an access code for Bullx or Bullx Neo as it's now called, and the answer is you no longer need an access code, or at least to my knowledge. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but I was able to get access to Bullx just by simply following these steps. So I will drop the link at the bottom of this video and it will bring you to this page, and all you're going to do is start bot. Now when you click on start bot, this is going to open up Telegram, so make sure you have Telegram downloaded. Now I've already used Bullx Neo before, so what you want to do is just type in / and start. They'll pretty much bring up this prompt that will tell you everything, and then it's going to give you a login option, and then you'll just hit login. And it'll bring this pop-up and you'll just say open. Now, honestly, today I don't know why, but I got stuck on the screen for a good minute. So I basically just repeated the step, headed back to Telegram, hit login, and everything worked after that. As you can see here, I'm back in. And that's it. You now have full access to Bullx Neo. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.